Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a very sad subject. So, we're going to talk about how to tell if your account is actually banned. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what you can do so that you don't get your account banned. So, if this guy's pissing you off a little bit, keep watching. So, some of you may see a common, like a message like this where it says, this ad or account is in violation of Snap Inc. policy, and this happens so much with new accounts. So let's take a look at, and let me just tell you, if you see this message right now, like this is an indication your account is banned. It's time to move on. So let's talk about how this actually happens. So this is an ad that got us banned, and if you're starting off new to Snap and you put something that's really aggressive, maybe you have a landing page that's like a too aggressive, or an ad that really just is low quality or doesn't work well. Like this one is for Blue Chew, so it's for an erectile dysfunction drug, and people just really thought, my rep told me at Snapchat that this ad is just too sexual, it's a no-no. And because we ran this on a brand new account, it auto flags your account for ban, so that anytime we enter an ad now, we're going to get this rejected message and letting us know that we can't run ads. So what we did is we moved to a new account, and at least let me show you what happens then with this account. So we were able to get ads that are finally approved, and let me show you how we ended up doing that. So we just moved away then from an ad where it was too sexual, wasn't really clear what the ad was about. And instead of have better sex, we moved to an ad that said make ED go limp.
Now offer you the
and
same active
it also
ingredients
features
as
the
Viagra
brand up top.
in
It looks
Cialis.
higher quality.
At a fraction
It's
of the
not
price,
as
discreetly
focused on a
delivered to
balloon
your
blowing.
door.
It's really just happier
Blue
and
Chew
higher
can now
quality. And this is a great ad that, a great offer that I really recommend running. This Blue Chew is currently offered by Crack Revenue. So I have friends that are crushing this right now. We just started testing this out, and this is a good indication, though, if you are getting this message, that your account is likely banned. So what do you do? Well, time to sign out of Facebook or of Snapchat and go and create a new account. So it's real easy. You just go to ads.snapchat.com and go to this create account button. All you need is a new email. So sign up for a new business manager, create a new ad account, and then you also want to use a different domain name. So in our case, we're using a tracking link from Crack Revenue. Just tell them, hey, I need a new tracking link, I need a new affiliate link, and they'll be able to get you a new one. Otherwise, if you're running to your own site, see if you can clone everything over to a brand new domain name, and that'll solve a lot of your problems too, so that you can get it up and running. You do not have to use a different credit card. We've tested and found that you can use a new credit card. But these are just some tips to make sure that if you do get that message that you're banned, what you can do about it. And above all else too, click on this button here so that you can actually get an account rep. Go to campaigns, type in I would like an account rep, and you'll be assigned a friendly Snapchat rep. Our rep loves us and they help us so much because we're able to produce so much revenue and profit, revenue and profit for Snapchat, the company. So make sure that you run clean at the beginning. This will help out a lot too, and then you can start to maybe get a little more aggressive if that's your style. So hopefully these were some good tips for you to keep your account running up and alive and keep everything clean. And if you get that message that this ad account's in violation, don't keep trying to resubmit ads. Don't get frustrated. Just create a new one and work on making your creative clean
the same active ingredients
and
as
high
Viagra.
quality.